filling of Mama's Best Bubba. Oh my goodness!
Wow.
Perfection! Woohoo!
That is something else.
It is. Wow, that was great, eh? See?
Bubba goodness.
Bubba goodness.
Oh, wow.
It's done. I need to. I will put it up here. Oh, it's not steamy. It's not moist. Oh, that looks fantastic here. Lovely. Mmm. Hot. Melts in your mouth. Oh, it tastes great. Kathy, for you. It's gorgeous. Okay, let's see how did everything else turn out. I think it's pretty good. I will have to check the chicken here. And I think everything else is good to go. Yeah, the sweet potatoes are well done. The potatoes look really good. Oh, everything looks very well done. Still looking at the temperature. It's going up and up and up. I need to. Hard to tell on these breasts, eh? Yeah, I think it's good. I think we've got a wonderful roast here.